Well, on a boat. Make sure I don't drop this phone. Famous last words.
No.
Just hold your drink in your hand because it's gonna be really windy. Okay. Take your boat. Oh, where's your pet?
Yeah.
Really nice spot as well for like doing snorkeling and scuba diving.
We just made one of my best friends just got a bachelor party there last weekend actually, and I didn't go.
Stunning. That's rock, volcanic rock back there from the big eruption that made the island. Oh, pretty cool. Sails up on the boat, off we go.
Well, try to look up now.
Oh!
Away.
Look how many people are on that boat. Much smaller number on this one. It's a good boat. Might be able to see the stairs behind that cruise ship. That's where we went up yesterday. And then yesterday we also climbed all the way along. All of that, all of that, all of that. And that's where we had our dinner last night. Quite a hike.
Coca-Cola?
Beer.
Beer?
Sprite.
Another Sprite?
Yes.
Okay.
Rolling. Okay.
Hey! Wow! Oh, I'm hopping around the place. Check this out. There's a black sand beach. And there's my ugly mug on the right hand side of the screen. G'day. That was a stunning, stunning day out there in the water. Greek islands, Santorini. Fantastic. Ah. Well, that was a beautiful day. I like to say that we just got back, but in reality we got back and then just decompressed and had some more swimming and then slept. But now we're just chilling out to some Greek wine. Cheers. Volcanic pool things. Some of this beautiful blue sea. It's incredible.
Yeah, we had like 4 different swimming spots, I think.
Mm.
Oh.
And unlimited open bar. That was good. But yeah, it's a great group, great fun. Now let me show you the mules. I've just noticed that they're coming down the street. Or they're donkeys. What is it, Chrissy? Mata! This is feta in like a pie crust. Let's see how this goes down. Okay, started.
Oh yeah, it's got all the...
I don't know how interesting this is. Because it's up to the viewers to decide. Is this a worthwhile closing shot? Or is this just a bit too mundane? Oh, here we go. Hang on. Whoa. Finn,